Welcome back to You Can Fix It. Today we've got a 2015 Chevy Malibu that has a StabiliTrak light that comes on when it's in the start-stop mode. A quick scan revealed a P305F dual battery control module performance. Test driving the vehicle, I used a parking lot to simulate being stopped at a stoplight. While in start-stop mode, the battery falls, according to the battery monitor, below 11.8 volts, even though my scan data never got below 12.0. When the vehicle is re-engaged, it falls below that 11.5 threshold and indeed throws the stability light. A battery check shows that the battery is actually good. In the trunk in this model, on the driver's side, there's actually another battery. If you remove this cover, you can access that battery. Testing this battery showed it to be bad. When changing the battery, be mindful of this little clip. It's pretty easy to break. I did manage to fix this one, but just one of those things to be looking out for. 10 millimeters will get your nuts off. We're going to start with a negative, isolate that out of the way, then move on over to the positive. Next comes your strap. Once you get your battery out and back in, you're going to want to replace that cover. And again, take it on a test drive just to verify that you fixed the concern. If this video has brought you any value, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.